Okay, so, different video today. We are going bowling. Here is some actual proof. There's our lane. We are lane number 15. There's Greg putting in his name. So there's your proof. So yeah, we're just gonna film ourselves bowling, I guess. So that'll be fun. Hold the ball.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, one pin, that's nice. Nice throw. What is wrong with you? Let me show you how the master does it. Pizza's here, so I'm gonna eat some of it.
Get close.
The ball went like 5 feet up in the air, Peyton. It gets released down on the wood. Period.
I suck.
That's fun. Don't break something, because then if I have to pay for it, then I am gonna be pissed. Gabriel, you're up.
Alright, my turn.
Yep.
Alright, well, I just realized I forgot to film an outro for this stupid video. It's like 1 in the afternoon right now. It's Monday. I just got done with a frustrating amount of homework. I'm taking a much needed break right now in the basement. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Smack like.